Hey guys, it's April. We have a Cricut mystery box. You guys are not going to believe this box. It is awesome. If you're a Cricut Access member, this box is going to be available to you. If you are not, please use the link down below and get Cricut Access so that you can get these, because this box contains a cutie. It has the Mist Cutie. This is the color of the new Maker 3. So make sure that you guys are collecting your cuties and grabbing these boxes. Now, the group code does not work on the box. It does work on anything extra that you might add to the box. And that code is CricutP. If you are a Access subscriber, you are going to save 10% on the box. And if you are a Premium Access subscriber, you're going to save 20%. Now, I don't get paid to make these videos for you guys, but I do earn a small commission if you purchase a mystery box or any items after clicking on my link. And I greatly appreciate your support and your support for the group in doing that. So let's jump over to the overhead and let me show you what else is in this box. You're going to love it. Okay, guys, and I want to say thank you to Cricut for sending this box to me so that I could show you guys what's in it, and for making me a product expert. Exciting news and starting this year off in style. So let's go over the contents of the box. You're getting the cutie. You're also going to get the Cricut Explore Everyday Collection 10-pack of pens. Now that has 3 of the silver, 3 of the gold, and the 1.0s, and it has 4 of the 0.4 black. Guys, those silver and gold are great on dark cardstock. Next, you're going to get the premium fine point blade. This is for your makers and your Explore machines. Guys, make sure you're using that premium blade. It cuts so much better, in my opinion, than the gray cap blades. They all cut well, but I really love this blade. Next, you are going to get, let's see. Let's go with this one. I'm trying to pick something out of the box. We're going to go with the permanent lace flat glossy vinyl. This is the bright sampler. You're getting 6 12x12 sheets, 1 of each color. You're getting the tomato red, orange, maize yellow, Kelly green, medium blue, and forest green. All of these colors shown back here. So you're going to get 1 12x12 sheet of each of those. You are also going to get your Cricut transfer tape. This is a 1 roll 12 by 48 inch. Guys, this stuff works great. Give it a chance. If you're not a fan of transfer tapes and you're using other things, make sure that you just detack this on your jeans or a clean white t-shirt before you use it and practice using it. Trust me, you'll love this. I get more use out of this than anything else I've ever tried, and I've tried all the tricks of the trade. Love it. Next, you are going to get the Strong Bond Cricut Everyday Iron-On. You're going to get 6 12x12 sheets, 3 of the white, 3 of the black. Awesome iron-on. Then you are going to get 1 pack of 5 of the 1.0 infusible ink markers. Guys, love these. That's the basics color pack, which gives you the cardinal, black, ultraviolet, tawny, and bright green pens. So love those. It's great for marking on paper, having your kids draw art, and then ironing it on t-shirts, pillowcases, on your t-shirts, different things, mugs, everything. So make sure that you're letting your kids use those for some artwork. You're also going to get a pack of 2 standard grip green mats. You cannot have enough mats. Love those. Those are my go-tos. I use them for vinyl and cardstock, several other things. Next, we're going to have something everybody's been asking about, glitter cardstock. This is a 10-sheet sampler pack, and you're going to get in here, let's see, 10 12 by 12. I don't know if it tells the colors. I believe I did look this up. Yeah, there they are right there. You're going to get a sheet of the rich red, sky blue, dark rose, antique bronze, dark green, sapphire blue, colorful white, silver, black, and gold. Love Cricut cardstock. It does not shed. It's smooth and it cuts like butter, guys. I'm telling you, if you've cut anybody else's cardstock, try the Cricut brand. You will fall in love. It cuts like no other. You will love it. And last in this box, you're going to get the Princess Sampler cardstock. This is 80-pound cardstock, guys. It is solid core, color through and through, so that when you cut this for flowers or anything, it's going to have that color all the way through and no white edges. Let's see if I can remember. I think in this pack you get, oh, here it is. Fuchsia, light purple, bright yellow, red, blue sage, and something blue. Those are the colors. You can see those there. Guys, this is an awesome mystery box. Has a retail value of $150.40, I believe. And that doesn't include a cutie, which you can't buy separately. So make sure that you're grabbing up that box. Add a couple of things to your cart. Use the group code. It won't count on the box, but it will count towards other eligible items in your cart. And again, you must be a Cricut Access subscriber to get this box. You will save your 10 on your Access subscription, 10% off, and 20% if you're a premium member. Thank you, Cricut, for sending this box to me so that I could show it to my subscribers. You guys jump in there and grab it. This won't last long with that cutie in there. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Happy crafting!